Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna explain you about how to make a bird with piece of paper. So the first one, you have to fold and make a triangle. When you have a triangle, refold and fold the other part. So when you have the triangle, turn the triangle and fold like this. That's simple. So there is two different parts. Fold this and then fold in the middle of the paper. Yes? When we finish that part, we have to continue with this. So fold this part and turn and fold